Hey guys, welcome back to Rack, where we talk all things audio production and sound. Today, we are talking about series processing in your digital audio workstation or DAW. I'm Dariana Everett. I'm a singer, songwriter, producer, and RAC grad. In this video, we will be talking about series processing, why it's useful, and a couple of examples of how we can use it. What is series processing? Series processing is a technique in audio production where multiple effects or processing tools are applied to a signal one after the other. The output of one effect becomes the input of the next effect in the chain. This creates a series of audio processing that can shape the sound in various ways. Why is series processing useful? It can be useful for a number of reasons. Firstly, it allows for more precise control over a track. By using multiple effects in series, you can really fine-tune the sound to create your desired result. Secondly, it can help create a more unique and interesting sound. Combining different effects, you can really create a sound that is distinct and becomes iconic and really just stands out. Order is important. The order in which we place the series processing will affect the sound differently. For example, if you have a vocal that has a lot of sibilance and run that through harmonic saturation, likelihood is you'll end up with a sound with even more sibilance, thus making it hard to de-ess afterwards. So a general rule in series processing and mixing in general is you want to remove the problems before adding color or texture to the sound. Let's look at some examples of series processing. One common use of series processing is in vocal production. A typical vocal chain might include a de-esser, an equalizer, a compressor, maybe some sort of saturation, and sometimes at the end you can do in-series reverb or put that into parallel. Each effect in the chain is applied one after the other. Again, order is important. A guitar chain might include an equalizer, a compressor, a distortion pedal, and maybe some delay. Again, each effect in the chain is applied one after the other. So the output of the EQ will then lead into the input of a compressor. The output of the compressor will then lead into the input of the distortion pedal. A great tip is to look at either vocal chains, bus chains, mix chains, guitar chains, master chains that other engineers or studios have created. And you can kind of keep them and play around with them and just get inspired by how they create certain tones or how they build certain mixes. It's really, really fun when you can see how by feeding certain things into each other, they really create a very interesting and unique experience, a sonic experience. In conclusion, series processing is such a powerful tool in audio production. It really can help you achieve a more precise control over your sound and really just create more unique and interesting sounds. So in-series processing is so vast and cool because it's basically building blocks that you then feed into each other, and you can do so many cool, versatile effects. There's so much to explore. There's so many amazing chains out there. There are vocal chains, guitar chains, bus chains, like anything, master chains. There are so many, and chains is just a series of processing that someone else has created or that you've created. By understanding the basics of series processing and then experimenting with a bunch of different effects, you can really take your audio production to the next level. I hope this video helped with you understanding series processing. If you like this video, feel free to like, share, subscribe. We come out with videos every week. I'm Dariana Everett, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.